my dearest, how you guys doing today? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. Safer year start here, right? Safer year start here. Welcome back to my channel. You guys know that this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire, for my ladies and gentlemen out there who want to become fire prevention inspectors and firefighters. This is your channel. And also we're going to talk about Spain fashion, although you'll be seeing me most of the time with my uniform. We're going to talk about Equatorial Guinea, precisely Bioko Island. Okay, food, because I love food. All right, and glow up, of course we're going to talk about that. Anyways, we're going to continue with the January family fire safety challenge, okay, which I was busy for the last few days. I haven't been able to record anything. So today we're gonna actually go over the cooking safety rules, right? And then at the end I'll put a video. I'll leave a video for you guys that I have put together, and so you guys can watch it. Okay, quick review. Number one, tie your hair back when you go to the kitchen, right? You have to tie your hair back. You don't want to have, your hair all over the place, because it can catch on fire very easily. Or not just only that, actually when you're wearing synthetic hair or braid, it can easily catch on fire, okay? So everybody, please, for my ladies and gentlemen, if you have long hair, tie your hair back, okay? Then number two, wash your hands, okay? Do not touch food without washing your hands, okay? Keep paper towels, curtains, dishcloths away from the stove, away from the fire, especially when you are using, the stove. All right. Now, while cooking, we're going to talk about this. Stay in the kitchen. Do not leave your pot unattended. All right. Now, never leave your cooking unattended. Turn pot handle inward, okay, not outward, inward. All right. Use oven mitts, okay. Keep kids and pets away, or at least 3 feet away from the stove. All right. So we got that. Okay, now we're going to continue with the grease fire safety. All right. Never use water on grease. Okay, so cover your pot with the lid. Right, don't forget that. Cover your pot. All right. And now we're going to go to the emergency. What do? You keep a fire extinguisher by, right? Somewhere in the house, always have a fire extinguisher, especially to the areas that are prone to possibly catch on fire. All right, like the kitchen area, keep a fire extinguisher by, even if it's a 5-pound fire extinguisher, ABC. Now you can buy it at Walmart, at Lowe's, any of those stores, right? So keep it by. All right. And then teach 2 ways of fire escape, right? One can be the door, the other one can be the window, depending how high is the house, or another back door, right? So, and then you're going to teach the kids stop, drop, and roll. All right? Stop, drop, and roll. And which one is the golden rule? Watch pot, never start fire. Watch pot, never start fire. And safer year start here. You guys have a wonderful day, and see you here very shortly.
You need to watch this if you cook with distractions. Exposing the 3 mistakes that start most kitchen fires. Fix them in under a minute. Rule 1. Stay in the kitchen when cooking, especially with oil. Rule 2. Keep flammable items like towels, paper away from heat. Rule 3. If grease catches, slide a lid on the pan. Turn off the heat, don't pour water. Rule 4. Have an extinguisher within reach. Class K extinguisher, multi-purpose extinguisher. Know how to use it. Final action. Set a timer. Stay focused.